Hi everybody, my name is Andrew, and this is another edition of Kite Army Labs. I'm really excited to talk to you today about this guy right here. This is the Batavia Maxxfire. Now you can see, it's a really nice day out here. I got a little snow on the ground. Everything looks peaceful. Well, if you turn the clock back 24 hours ago, it wasn't the case. It was absolutely nasty. The snow was coming down heavy. It was really nasty. Anyway, there's a reason why I point that out, and you will see that reason later in the video. Let's talk about this company, Batavia, okay? Now, they're located in Europe, so I'm one of the first persons to have the Maxxfire in my hands in the United States. Now, at this moment, they are running a Kickstarter for this tool, so if you want some information about that, make sure you check out the link below. Anyway, let me tell you what this guy is. This is a cordless charcoal lighter, all right? And what's nice about this tool is it makes the process of lighting your coal real simple, real safe. You don't have to use chemicals. As I said, it's cordless, so it's got a battery that goes right in the bottom, right here. They have filaments that are just like in your toaster that come out the front and they heat up. Now that heats up the coal. Let me show you that up close, all right? And they'll get bright red. And then they've got a fan in the back here that you can use as like a bellow to stoke the fire, and that will heat up those coals and get everything real warm. And that's all in this portable little tool. So the reason why I talked to you about the snow on the ground is yesterday I decided to run this guy through its paces and see if it could light my coals in the worst case scenario. I had like a 20-mile-per-hour wind. It was snowing hard, it was cold, it was nasty. And I wanted to see if this Maxxfire could help me light those coals. So watch this video and see how things turned out. It's on now. Putting some coals in there, covering it up a little bit. There's no way out here today I could do this with a lighter or matches. There's just too much wind. The snow's coming down, so it's not much different from rain. I'm seeing some smoke now. Look at that. Cooked perfectly. Evenly browned. All right, ready? Oh. Ah. Well, it's warm, but gave a good fight. Oh, that's delicious. I think it's safe to assume that most of you will not be using a Maxxfire in the middle of a snowstorm, but I wanted to see, is this tool capable of lighting those charcoals in the worst case scenario, and it did. It did it quickly, it did it without accelerant, no chemicals on it, and there was very little smoke, so it did all that, and I think that's all good. Now, there are some similar products available in the United States. In fact, they sell one at my local Home Depot. The problem is, it requires an electrical outlet. Like, who wants that? That's really stupid. You know, the convenience of this cordless model is you can take it to the beach with you and light a fire, you can take it camping. The portability is what makes it. So having an electrical cord on it, I don't see that really working out well. Anyway, make sure you check out the Batavia Kickstarter. Make sure you check out the Batavia Transformer. I'll have a link to both those videos below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave some comments if you like. Check out all my other content, and I'll see you guys around real soon.